decimal point or figure on the screen. Prosperity is finding what you want in life. And with preferential deals for our 5 million 123 World customers to help you prosper. Santander.
Charlie Laxton is back,
I've got an idea.
trying to help couples achieve their ideal homes. But he's discovering they don't always listen. Building the Dream continues tomorrow at 9 on More 4 and catch up now on All 4.
Anyone took on any of your ideas?
It's early afternoon. Amy, the rescue stray cat, is having x-rays ahead of surgery on her leg.